Stay connected on every adventure. The new Drive Reach RV by weBoost is our most powerful multi-user cell signal booster available for when you're on the road and parked. With the Drive Reach RV, you and your crew can experience fewer dropped calls, better voice quality, faster network speeds, improved audio and data streaming, and greater hotspot capability throughout North America. The Drive Reach RV uses an outside antenna to pick up a cell signal. The signal is passed along to the booster where it is amplified. This boosted signal then goes to the in-vehicle antenna where it is broadcast to your device. With the latest technology, you can always make the most of existing cell signal, even in remote locations where cell signal towers are few and far between. The Drive Reach RV can reach cell signals up to 74% farther away than our next most powerful RV booster. The new Drive Reach RV also stands out due to its proprietary design. The outside antenna exceeds military and NEMA standards, meaning it's tough enough to withstand even the harshest conditions. The inside antenna is slim enough to tuck away on a countertop or table. Meanwhile, the booster itself can be hidden inside a cupboard or under a seat. The Drive Reach RV also comes with everything you need right out of the box. It's easily installed in about 30 minutes. The included ladder mount is fast and easy to install. Modular mast extensions help ensure the antenna is tall enough to avoid interference from other devices while staying below height restrictions. Not only does the Drive Reach RV look great and install easy, but every weBoost product is also backed by our 2-year warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee. We stand behind our American-designed, assembled, and tested boosters every day. Say goodbye to dropped calls and lost cell signal. Get on the road to better cell service. The most powerful booster is finally in reach. Drive Reach RV by weBoost.